best video. Dad. Hey Wally. What, Max? We have a toy to do. We have a video. Okay, Max, let's go do it.
Wait a minute, do we have time?
Yes.
We do?
Mm-hmm.
We were going to a party. Let's see, what do you have? Oh, we got time for these. Let's do it.
Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. And Max is gonna do shark. And I'm gonna do yeah, we are. Yeah, we're doing so much of good stuff today. It's gonna be the best video.
Look what I got, guys.
Wow.
Maxwell brought this to us. He's right, we got a toy review. What do you think?
Good.
What do you think, Max?
Good.
We're gonna do this?
Yeah.
First, we need to thank COSFIT. I don't know if I got the pronunciation right. It's COSFTE for sending it to us. We'll put a link in the bottom. You can check this thing out if you're interested in picking one up.
Yeah, and then when we're done with it, hit the button below. Yeah.
Hit the like and subscribe is what she's trying to tell you.
Okay, now.
But anyway, we're going to check this thing out and see what we have.
Yes.
Do you want to open it?
Yeah. Yeah, of course I'll open it. Then I need a knife.
So,
I can open it, Dad.
this is a 100-piece set, magnetic building tiles. So, where are you going?
Just put it here, right?
Check it out. Nice packaging.
Yeah, nice
We
packaging.
love the packaging. Look at that. Cost.
Oh.
They got some patterns on it.
How the heck do we open this, guys?
It's tough, isn't it?
How the heck do we open this?
Whoa, it's a nice set. We're not gonna do a giveaway on this toy, nope. But there's a few things that I wanted to point out.
Yeah.
One of the things that I wanted to point out is the safety.
Yeah,
They
well.
got a nice round edge on them. I like that.
Yeah.
They're not pointy. See, they don't hurt.
No.
We got a window. That's pretty cool.
I'm actually.
Hey, check this out.
Oh my gosh! I love that. That looks just like Maxwell's toy.
Yes, it does.
At all.
Here, we'll set this
I
over
like
here.
the blocks.
Look at all the colors.
Yeah, guys. I noticed the house.
What color is this?
Blue.
How about this one?
Yellow makes us What? Why is
Good
there
enough.
Lego in here? Why
Look
is
at that,
there
guys.
Lego
It's
in here?
nice. These are big pieces too. We did.
Why is there a Lego person in here?
Oh, look at that.
Dad, I'm gonna tell you something.
They sent us a little guy.
I'm gonna tell you something.
What do you want?
Dad.
What do you want?
I'm gonna sit by Max.
Okay. What do you want to name this guy?
How about Robin Jenks's? Dad.
Okay, get over here. Sit. You want to name it? We'll give it 2 names.
She looks like a girl actually.
I'm pretty sure it's a boy. Hey. Whatever you want to call it. Him.
Girls have short hair, or they.
Okay, do you want to come over here with Max?
Okay, I'll call her. I think I'll call her Isabella.
Isabella?
Well, shimmy this over here.
Okay, I'll bring it over.
I can't reach. I'm pretty sure it's a boy. I'm pretty sure it's a boy.
Got many different colors.
I'm gonna tell you something. She got a cake on her
Those are
shirt.
new. I haven't seen those in the
Looks
other
like a
packages
cake.
that we have.
Cake on a bow. I think it's good. Max, please, I'm the red one. I'm the floors, guys. I'm making the floors first, guys. Max, you know what I'm making? I'm making the house. There we are. Max, you're taking all mine.
I'll tell you what,
Max, how about we make the same house?
these magnets are really, really strong. I'm very impressed with the
Max, I even punched my finger off.
magnetic
How many of them feel good just for this?
strength. Very nice, very nice.
Okay. Guys, I'm working on this.
Okay, we can get rid of this box now. Get it out of the way.
Dad, look. I made it. See? Put a throw in there.
Did you put the window in there?
I put a window.
Let me see.
Max, you please let me the window.
Oh, you did.
The window.
So we got little windows.
Yeah,
We can put
Dad,
inside
Dad,
the.
give me that. Bring the purple one, because I want to do it like you mentioned.
You want to do the. Oh, okay.
Purple can still match people. Well, I don't know that to me. Like,
So this is a 100-piece set.
say cheese. Cheese. Oh, take a picture of me. Cheese. Hi, like me. Say cheese.
We got many different things that we could build with it. Give children a beam of light to illuminate the world.
Please give me some of that. I'm trying to put the windows in.
Awesome.
I'm trying to make a monster. You can have some of it. Okay, I just need one piece for that.
So are you guys going to build something?
Dad,
Well, I tell you what, I'll let you guys build whatever you want to build.
say cheese.
And I'm going to go and get ready for my party.
Cheese.
You guys can play with these
Say cheese,
toys.
toy bug.
So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos of these great toys, hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one.